What's going on, fellas? This is a 2015 Infiniti Q50, but I'm going to talk about the newer Infinitis and Nissans in general. There are two different places where you can have maintenance reminders show up. One is going to be here, and the other one is going to be up here. And there are two different places to reset them. So to reset the maintenance that shows up on this area, go to over here under Apps, and you'll go to Maintenance Notes. And you can go into Settings, Maintenance, and hit Reset All. You can also go in to the maintenance menu here, and you can personalize all these different maintenance reminders. You can change the distance, do whatever you got to do. Now that is only for the maintenance reminders that show up on this piece here. If you want to change what shows up on the cluster up here, what you're going to have to do is go under Apps, go to Settings, and you go to Meter, and then Maintenance. And with that, you can go in here, you can change the distance, and you can also reset the distance and change whether or not those alerts are shown. So yeah, that's that. Hope this clears it up for you. Let me know if you guys have any questions.